Alright guys, so I got some of the packages in today to fix the 4.0 liter that I got. So we're going to open these up and see what all they are, because I ordered a few other things that do not go with the truck, but we'll see what all this is. I can't remember. Where this one came from? Oh, this one came from Summit Racing. This one, I know what this is. This is something else I ordered from Summit Racing while I was there. Get all that stuff out of the way. Oh yeah, boy! Look at this, a freebie. Hell yeah! Yeah. Oh, I got some stickers. Check it out, I get free stickers and a free hat. Feel like a VIP customer. Oh, shit. Right on. Oh yeah, this is the shirt I ordered. Ordered the shirt, but I didn't order the hat. I'll show you the shirt real quick. This is from last year, 2018. So, it was on clearance. Can't beat $7 for a nice t-shirt. So it just says Super Summit, and it's got a little drag car on here. And on the back is a GMC pickup, but shit's cool. It says Summit Racing Equipment, 50 years. And then Summit Motorsports Park. So that's a pretty kick-ass shirt. But yep, here's what I really needed. These are the timing chain kit set. I ordered the whole thing. Everywhere else I looked, they wanted like $400 or $500 for it. Summit Racing had it on sale, so went ahead and just picked it up from them. And who knew, right? Summit Racing has parts for this Explorer. But it's a popular motor, so I'm sure they have things for all kinds of cars, really. But the reason I went with this kit is because it comes with this plug that I could not find anywhere else, and it seals up the back of the jack shaft, and so that comes with this kit. All the other kits do not have it, so that's pretty cool. And it comes with all new chains. Wonder, are these my bolts? Oh no, this is a balance shaft chain. Oh, it's got new washers. Everything else in there. Yeah, this has, because the truck's 4-wheel drive, so I needed the one with the balance shaft kit in it as well. So everything all in one box. So there's that. This is my banner in this box. So my next part, ordered it from Rock Auto. All the parts your car will ever need, Rock Auto. Alright, so these people were cheaper than the parts house. Head bolts. Head bolts. Head gasket. And head gasket. I'm hoping that's... Yep. So head gaskets, all Felpro. Head bolts, Velcro. I've reused head bolts before, but I don't want to take the chance on this one. So I figured I'd have a little extra money, just throw them in, have them new so they don't snap off and cause problems for me. So headset, timing set, and Rock Auto, they send you a free magnet I don't know what this is. Camaro. Yeah, it looks like an old school Camaro. So that's pretty cool for Camaro. So I got that. Go ahead and show you this is just a banner. Throw it up in the garage. Alright, so I went down and I checked the mailbox and I got those bolts that I was waiting on. So the bolts came in through the post office mail. I had my head gaskets and head bolts come through FedEx. And my Summit Racing stuff came in through UPS. 3 different mail companies delivered all my stuff today, so that was quite the scene. But yeah, these I want to talk to you real quick about these bolts. So I got them from Freedom Racing Tool and Auto. Okay, so they're local here in Iowa. I can't pronounce the town, so I'm not even gonna try. But it's kind of like central south central Iowa. But yeah, they got here pretty quick because I just ordered them the other day, so it didn't take too long to get them here. I'm just gonna give them a shout out. So if you're looking for any hard to find bolts, anything that has to do with, I think they have timing sets and other motor parts, give them a look. See if they got what you need. Freedom Racing Tool and Auto. I think it's just freedomracing.com. Alright, so there are my valves. This one is the new one. This one's bent, this one's bent, and this one's slightly bent. So we'll go ahead and throw these back in real quick. This thing, oh man, this thing's a joke. These little pins. Man, I've been fighting these things. It was daylight when I started. So it would have been like 6:30. 6:30 when I started to do this. And right now it's 10 o'clock. I've been fighting to get those bent ones out, and then I'd be fighting to get these little safety pins out. Oh man, it's a mess. But last one, we'll get it done. Finally, they're all in. Ah! Scared the shit out of me. I thought I saw something in the driveway. Whew. Alright, yeah. Alright guys, so that is done. The valves are done. So now we just gotta throw the heads back on and put the timing chains back together. So fun stuff. Oh, I had my drink over here. I didn't even drink it. But I'm gonna call that a night. My hands are cold. My feet are cold. I'm cold. Tired. Worn out, exhausted. But no. It's been a long day. So we'll pick it back up in the morning. So we'll see you then.